Discovered Chrome pricing. Explain what you get for your money. The Discovered Chrome card is designed for simplicity and consistent rewards, and most people get this wrong. They think a card with fewer categories can't be valuable. The surprising truth is that this card delivers straightforward, high-value cashback on everyday purchases, making it ideal for someone who prefers a hands-off approach. With this card, you earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to 0 in combined purchases each quarter. All other purchases earn 1% cash back. You won't believe how quickly rewards add up if you regularly use the card for commuting, dining out, and daily spending. For example, if you spend a month at gas stations and restaurants, you can earn in cash back over a year, plus additional rewards on everything else. New cardholders also benefit from Discover's first-year cashback match. Whatever you earn in your first 12 months, Discover will double it at the end of the year. That means your actual rewards potential is essentially twice what you see in your statements, which can make a significant difference for everyday spending. Additional perks include no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, free FICO credit score access, and purchase protection. While it doesn't have rotating categories or premium travel perks, its simplicity and first-year match make it a great choice for someone who wants consistent rewards without complicated management. In conclusion, the Discovered Chrome card offers a reliable way to earn cashback on everyday expenses with 0 annual fee. Its combination of consistent rewards, simplicity, and the first-year match makes it a standout for anyone looking for straightforward earning potential.